Let's talk about love. Let's talk about truth. Let's talk about everything and the way things ought to be. Let's talk about you. Let's talk about me. Let's talk about the little bird is flying in the trees. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I go outside, put my hands on my head and I stare up at the sky. Well, I forget that daytime dancing and the wrong and the right, turn this world on its head just so I can explore the night. Whoa, nobody knows what I feel inside when I close my eyes. Nobody cares, nobody dreams, nobody understands, nobody knows what I mean. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Let's talk about truth. Don't listen to the news. Yes, while they're dallying the branches, we will enjoy the root. Let's talk about you. Let's talk about me. Let's talk about everything and the way things ought to be. Sometimes I crawl up inside of myself and I don't know why. Feel that fear overcoming me and I start to cry. If I could only rest my spirit, I would terminate my brain and things would never have to be this way. They'd never be the same. Oh, nobody knows just what I feel inside when I close my eyes. Nobody cares, nobody sees, nobody ever sees, 'cause they just want to be seen. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Now I know how I got here, not how long I must stay. But it really doesn't matter, 'cause I can't take another day. Now I know where I'm going, but not how to escape. From this drunken tavern, I've got to find a way. Way that nobody knows.